All right, so what's going on? Welcome to today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Before I get into this is a huge objection that a lot of SMMA owners get. So here is just a couple of responses that I have for this. When the client says, do you guarantee results? You say this, right? And I kind of want to go into a couple things that I've said that I've been able to, kind of weather the storm with this, because some people have these guarantees, some people don't. There are certain guarantees that you can make, certain ones that you can't. So I want to go over a couple of scenarios here. So first things first is, you can guarantee results, but not X amount, okay? And this is where, I would say as a response, you say, hey, listen, I get you want a guarantee, but what exactly is the guarantee that you're looking for, okay? Looking for, and what's practical for you. Okay, that's the first thing that you could say. Okay, so let me just get rid of this response. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay, hey, listen, I get you want a guarantee, but what exactly is the guarantee that you're looking for, and what's practical for you? So then you kind of find the root cause of what they actually want, because odds are, like, they're looking for you to say something first, but you got to get it out of them. Another response that I do is like, hey, listen, I get you want a guarantee, but when you started your business, did anybody give you a guarantee? Anybody give you a guarantee that, give you a guarantee that 100% of businesses, obviously they're going to say no. And then you say, so then, you wait for a response. So why is this different? So why should this be different? Then you find the root cause again. The other thing I'll say is like, hey, this is for business owners that have a proven concept. Hey, listen, I see you have a proven concept, but having a guarantee, is actually constricting on, like, so the thing I like to put them in the mind of is like, hey, I see you have a proven concept, so I'm willing to guarantee you that we can get you sales, but I don't know the X amount. What if your ad account is disabled, for a week? What if you run out of inventory? What if you don't communicate with us and provide content? That's going to convert on our strategy. Okay? What if you decide to change things that we implement because of branding and other reasons? This is why we can't offer a guarantee. The reason why we don't have a guarantee is because it requires business owners to let go of their control, stop wearing all the hats, and develop quicker trust, which is unpractical and not streamlined. Gives us more fulfillment headaches. Another response that I usually give is like, I kind of tell my story. Why nothing guaranteed for me. You know, if someone was running ads for me and they guaranteed me results, that means they would be guaranteeing that you close and pay today. I can't control that. Get me? You know, it's like you're giving proven examples of why this doesn't make any sense. And then the other thing is, it's like, what if I did? What if I did guarantee you results? You know? But not a full refund. Like, because then it's like, you got to think about it this way. They're coming from a place of like, you know, they just want to guarantee. And that's where I use the angle of, I get that response a lot. But our biggest clients don't want to guarantee. They have a long-term vision. You know, long-term vision, and you decided to start a business instead of a 9-to-5. 9-to-5s don't even have guarantees. Don't even have guarantees, and more people still choose that. And your probability is higher. So it's like, that's where I try to get them the frame of like, hey, listen, like they have a long-term vision. You decided to start a business instead of a 9-to-5. 9-to-5s don't even have guarantees. And more people still choose that. So what's the real thing stopping you from moving forward with us? If you start a business, that's no guarantee. So why? Like what? So what's the real thing stopping you from moving forward with us? Like, you know, what's the thing that you would want right now in order to say, hey, I'm in, let's get started? Like, that's the other angle you can use too. It's like, listen, like, I don't really think that's the problem. I think it's that you have a limiting belief too. You have a limiting belief that you don't deserve results. You don't deserve to grow your business because maybe you're just starting out and you've never actually tasted money before. And that's the psychological that I go into. So I hope this gives you a couple variations of like how to confront that. And you should be able to answer it with these objections. You know, it's not like you're like number 3, you're not trying to place the blame on their court, but it's like, you know, at the same time, we stopped doing this because of X, Y, and Z. And you bring valid reasons, say like, we stopped, you know, guarantees as a lot of factors got in the way of that. And a lot of agencies have stopped. It ruins fulfillment. You know? Like, you know, a business owner starts nickel and diming our results and our process. They hover over our shoulder all day. It's not a daycare. We need to be respected just as much as you do. You know, am I guaranteed to have you sign this X contract? No. Probably not. That's up to you. Just like it is when someone clicks your ad. You don't have to buy or book a call. Then you can go into like, hey, obviously I proved the concept to you today that we know what we're doing because we converted you to hop on this call. So it's better to have somebody who has a proven concept run your stuff than someone who doesn't. You know, that's another angle that you can use. So hope this video helps you. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.